Leetcode Weekly Context 498. Question number 1. Smallest stable index number 1. This is an easy problem. This problem is asking us to find out the smallest stable index. If we are looking for a smallest index, we're gonna start from the beginning and do the loop till the end of the array, by which I mean we are doing this loop forward. The second thing is the key point of this problem is for each index we want to know the max value of the previous half. We also want the minimum number of the later half, but we don't want to do the calculation again and again. So the solution to reduce the number of loop is we can prepare a list of max value. And same thing, we can prepare array for minimum number. Then when we have everything ready, we can just go through the index from the beginning, moving forward to do a max minus min, as long as the number or the difference is less than k, we find the final result. Otherwise, we just keep going until we find it. But these are the steps to solve this problem.